Say hello to Zihuatanejo, a secret spot on Mexico's Pacific coast. This seaside town charms visitors with its small-town feel-stunning beaches and deep cultural roots, making it a great place for all kinds of travelers. Zihuatanejo has something to offer everyone, whether you want to chill out, go on adventures, or soak up real Mexican culture. You can explore unspoiled bays, enjoy fresh-caught seafood, or check out the local art world. This town will give you memories to cherish at every turn. Our video will show you the 9 best things to do in Zihuatanejo. We'll highlight the town's natural beauty, lively traditions, and easygoing spirit. So grab your suitcase and get set to discover the wonder of this coastal getaway. You'll want to see it all. Number 9. Explore Zihuatanejo town. Step into the heart of Zihuatanejo and explore the vibrant charm of its town center. This picturesque fishing village is brimming with culture, history, and local flavor, offering a glimpse into authentic Mexican coastal life. Begin your journey at the lively Central Market, where stalls overflow with fresh produce, handmade crafts, and delicious local snacks. Wander through the cobblestone streets, stopping at art galleries showcasing the works of local artists or picking up unique souvenirs from quaint shops. For history enthusiasts, the town's churches and plazas tell stories of Zihuatanejo's past, while foodies will love the beachfront eateries serving freshly caught seafood with unbeatable views of the bay. As the sun sets, Zihuatanejo's town comes alive with music and festivities, making it the perfect spot to unwind after a day of adventure. This charming destination invites you to slow down, connect with its people, and embrace its laid-back magic. Number 8. Playa Laropa, the crown jewel of Zihuatanejo, is a beach lover's paradise. Known for its soft golden sands and tranquil waters, it's the perfect spot to relax and soak up the sun or dive into water activities. Whether you're swimming, paddleboarding, or kayaking, the gentle waves make it ideal for all ages. Feeling adventurous? Try parasailing for a bird's-eye view of the stunning coastline. Or simply stroll along the shore, enjoying the picturesque scenery and vibrant atmosphere. Playa Laropa is also home to some of Zihuatanejo's best beachfront restaurants. Savor freshly caught seafood while sipping on a refreshing cocktail as the sun sets over the Pacific Ocean. With its natural beauty and laid-back charm, Playa Laropa offers a quintessential Zihuatanejo experience. Whether you're seeking adventure or relaxation, this iconic beach promises unforgettable memories. Number 7. Take a boat trip. One of the best ways to experience Zihuatanejo's stunning coastline is by taking a boat trip. Whether you're looking to explore hidden coves, enjoy water activities, or simply relax on the open sea, a boat adventure offers something for everyone. Set sail from the bay and visit nearby beaches like Playa Las Gatas, known for its crystal-clear waters and vibrant marine life. Snorkeling here is a must. For those seeking seclusion, head to pristine Playa Manzanillo, a peaceful oasis surrounded by nature. Many boat tours also offer fishing trips where you can catch your dinner and enjoy it freshly grilled. Sunset cruises are another popular choice, providing breathtaking views as the sun dips below the horizon. With its serene waters and picturesque scenery, a boat trip in Zihuatanejo promises an unforgettable experience, blending adventure and relaxation with the beauty of Mexico's Pacific coast. Number 6. Playa Las Gatas, a secluded beach just a short boat ride from Zihuatanejo Bay. Known for its calm, turquoise waters and laid-back atmosphere, this beach is perfect for a day of relaxation and adventure. Legend has it that this beach got its name from the harmless gatas, or whiskered nurse sharks, that used to swim here. Today, it's a haven for snorkeling enthusiasts. The calm, shallow waters are teeming with vibrant coral reefs and tropical fish, making it ideal for underwater exploration. If you prefer to stay above water, rent a kayak, paddleboard, or simply unwind on the beach with a cold drink in hand. Playa Las Gatas also boasts charming beachfront restaurants where you can enjoy fresh seafood with a stunning view of the ocean. Whether you're seeking tranquility or adventure, Playa Las Gatas is a must-visit destination in Zihuatanejo. Number 5. Visit Marcato Central Municipal. Dive into the heart of local life at Marcato Central Municipal, Zihuatanejo's vibrant central market. This bustling hub is the perfect place to experience the town's culture, flavors, and daily rhythm. Wander through aisles packed with fresh fruits, vegetables, and aromatic spices. Sample local specialties like handmade tortillas, tamales, or sweet pan dulce, all freshly prepared by friendly vendors eager to share their culinary traditions. The market isn't just about food, it's a treasure trove of handmade crafts, traditional clothing, and unique souvenirs. From colorful ceramics to woven bags, there's something for everyone to take home. Beyond shopping, Marcato Central offers a chance to connect with the community. Watch as locals exchange stories and laughter, making this market a lively and authentic experience. Visiting Marcato Central Municipal is more than a shopping trip. It's an immersive journey into Zihuatanejo's vibrant culture and welcoming spirit. Number 4. Visit Malacon. Take a leisurely stroll along the Malacon, Zihuatanejo's picturesque waterfront promenade. This scenic walkway offers stunning views of the bay, vibrant local culture, and plenty of spots to relax and soak in the atmosphere. As you wander, you'll pass charming fishing boats bobbing in the water, vibrant murals that tell the story of Zihuatanejo's heritage, and lively street vendors offering everything from handmade crafts to refreshing treats. Stop by the artisan stalls for unique souvenirs, or enjoy freshly caught seafood at one of the many beachfront eateries. The Malacon is also a great place to connect with local life. Watch fishermen bring in their daily catch or join families enjoying the cool ocean breeze. At sunset, the sky lights up in breathtaking colors, creating a magical end to your visit. Whether you're exploring by day or unwinding in the evening, the Malacon is a must-see in Zihuatanejo. Number 3. Playa Laropa. Playa Laropa is a charming, laid-back beach that perfectly captures the relaxed vibe of Zihuatanejo. Nestled between Playa Principal and Playa Laropa, this smaller, quieter spot is a favorite for those seeking a tranquil escape. The beach's name, which translates to wood beach, harks back to its history as a timber landing spot. Today, it's known for its calm waters, making it ideal for swimming, paddleboarding, or simply wading in the gentle surf. Lined with small hotels and beachfront restaurants, Playa Laropa is perfect for a peaceful afternoon. Enjoy fresh seafood while gazing out at the bay, or take a leisurely walk along the shore as fishing boats drift by. With its cozy atmosphere and stunning views, Playa Laropa offers a more intimate experience than Zihuatanejo's larger beaches. It's a must-visit for those looking to unwind in a serene, picturesque setting. Number 2. Try the local cuisine. One of the best ways to experience Zihuatanejo is through its incredible local cuisine. From fresh seafood to traditional Mexican flavors, every bite tells a story of this coastal paradise. Start with the town's specialty, ceviche made with the day's catch, or try a whole grilled fish seasoned with regional spices. Don't miss out on classic dishes like tacos al pastor or tamales, often served at small family-owned eateries. For an authentic experience, visit the Central Market, where you'll find homemade salsas, fresh tortillas, and local desserts like flan or pan dulce. Whether you're dining at a beachside restaurant or sampling street food, Zihuatanejo's culinary scene is a feast for the senses and a highlight of your trip. Number 1. Spend the day on Ixtapa Island. Just a short boat ride from the mainland, Ixtapa Island is the perfect spot for a day of relaxation and adventure. This small island is surrounded by crystal clear waters and features 4 stunning beaches, each with its own charm. Coral Beach is a snorkeling haven, where vibrant marine life and colorful coral reefs await beneath the surface. For swimming and sunbathing, head to Varadero Beach with its calm, inviting waters. Adventure seekers can enjoy kayaking, paddleboarding, or even jet skiing along the coast. When it's time to refuel, the island offers beachside restaurants serving freshly grilled seafood and refreshing tropical drinks. Enjoy your meal with your toes in the sand and panoramic ocean views. Whether you're exploring underwater treasures, indulging in delicious food, or simply unwinding in the sun, a trip to Ixtapa Island is a must for anyone visiting Zihuatanejo.